How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So there are a few ways or tricks that will help you out to watch the recently watched reels. So first of all, open up the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you land on your home page, now if you tap on this reel icon from the bottom of this interface, from here you can watch a reel. And let's say you have been scrolling the reel and you would like to go back to one of the reels that you have watched recently. Now, in case you haven't closed this tab or you haven't refreshed or it has not been that long that you have that reel, and now you want to go to that specific reel, you can simply go back always by scrolling to where the reel watch. Let's say this was the reel, and here how you watch. They recently watched reels on Instagram. Now the next way is that if you have liked any of the reels on Instagram and you would like to check that and it has been quite a long time that you have liked that reel. So to view that reel, what you have to do is tap on the home icon from the menu bar. Now again tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. That will take you to your profile page. Now tap on the three line icon from the top right corner. Now under this how you use Instagram section, there you will find an option as your activity. Tap on that. And under this interaction, there is an option as likes. Tap on likes. Now here you will be able to view all the content on Instagram that you have liked. So in this section, you will find your reel. So you can simply check out there. So that's how you can check recently watched reels on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.